And I was thinking what I can do is rebuild it. Now a lot of those edges are all gone. Lots of it has fallen apart. There's bits and pieces missing. This one here, for example. So I thought I might make myself a stencil. So I've started making a stencil. Now what I'm going to do with this stencil, I'm going to use a floor leveler, and then I'm going to pour the floor level over. I'm going to push this stencil in these grooves. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be a lot better than what it is now. Get the height back up again, and I think it's going to look pretty good, and then it's got to be painted. Let's hope it works. They've given the house outside a clean as well, so it looks pretty good. I'm pretty all happy with it. Now this is the area here. Now I reckon, except for a few bits and pieces here and there, we could probably just fill that. I was going to do a floor level on it and then sort of fix it, but I think what I actually need is a 2-pack or some kind of floor leveler. Yeah, well, I'll see how I go about fixing that anyhow. So we've got some more issues here, and some more issues here, there. So really the whole lot needs doing. So I bought some floor leveler, and then I'm going to mix some of that up. I've already mixed up with X amount of water. I'm not sure how much water I'm supposed to put in, but I've put enough in. I'm going to pour it in here, and I'm going to just see what it does basically. Now it's a floor leveler, so let's hope that it works. Just move it around a bit. I don't think I actually put enough water in it. Put some more on there. Now I've been wondering how to do this and how to fix this problem. I really hope this works. We've got some damage here. Maybe we can fix it as well. Just level this out to here. Okay, so it's basically filled everything I needed to fill. Maybe some more here. Now we've pretty well got a complete package there now. I'm actually a bit scared that we're going to wreck this, because this stuff sets like concrete. Well, it is concrete. We've had to go to means of using the hairdryer and heat. I think it's time to pull it up and have a look. So there we go, that's what we end up with. Hopefully that will work. Still wet, of course, but it's definitely a lot better than what it was. very dubious about using a water-based paint on concrete, but they say this is actually suitable for driveways, for garage floors as well, with its own primer, but ideal for paths, patios, courtyards and more. Easy clean up, satin finish, perfect to what I want. Second coat 2 hours, 20-minute dry time. So drying acrylic, formulated ideal for refreshing tired concrete areas. Exactly what I need. So I'm not sure what sleeve I'm going to use. I'll use this one or this one here, I'm not sure. This one will be fine. It's probably going to get into the grooves more. That one there will be fine as well, but I think we might use this one here because then perhaps it's just about worn out. I can throw it out if I need to. So we're just going to use this tray here, nothing too spectacular. Now we might have to do a couple of dips. It's already been stirred. I need to wipe out this in here. Put that away so it doesn't get anything on it. This is $200 a drum nearly. Now we're using a fairly long nap sleeve, the lamb's wool, because it's water based for a starter, so we can use lamb's wool. If this is oil based, I'd be using a mohair. We want it to force it into those gaps.
I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich.